Hello kids, welcome to Learning Kids channel. Let's draw a strong and brave Durga Ma drawing. Hey kids, do you know about Durga Ma Devi? I'm going to tell interesting thing about Durga Ma. Are you kids ready? Let's get started. Durga Ma is strong and loving goddess. She protects us from bad things and keep us safe. Can you tell me why we pray her? Long ago, a demon called Mahesashura troubled the gods and peoples. Durga Ma fight with him for 9 days and nights. On the 10th day, she won. That's why we celebrate Navaratri for 9 nights and Dasra on 10th day. Hey kids, how she looks like now? Her face is kind and smiling, but also brave and strong. She rides a lion. And she has many arms. In each hand, she holds a special weapon given by the gods. Now tell me kids, what she teaches? Be brave like Durga Ma. Always fight against lies, anger, bullying and all. Be kind and helpful to others all time. Durga Ma is like a superhero mom. She loves us and also protects us from all the dangers. She shows us that if we are good and brave, we can win over anything bad. Thank you all kids.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye bye.